Say hi. Okay. Alishu നിൽക്കുന്നല്ലേ കാണുന്നു. Okay, stand up. Lipstick. Okay. Introduction okay ആണോ? നമ്മള് we are going to open this collaboration. Makeup set അല്ല. Chocolates.
അലിഷ നിക്ക്.
Alishu. Okay, let's open it now. Okay. Yeah.
So hey fam, this is a PR package that I've received from Choco World, the IG page. It's for me and my kunyala, and we are going to unbox this together. Hope you all will be enjoying. Okay.
What's in this? Chocolate. Yeah.
What's the color of this ribbon?
Red.
Red. Hope you all will be... Oh my god.
Chocolate.
Chocolates, yes.
Sad.
Hey fam, this is a PR package that we have received from Choco World, the IG page. So we are going to open it up for you guys, and okay. So this is a collaboration for me and my kunyala, and we are going to unbox it together with you all. So let's start, okay? Yeah. So stand up.
Nuts.
Okay.
Stand up.
So first of all, we have got a note in here. Let's read it out. Okay. This is for Alishu. Alishu, this note is for you. Okay. So So let's say this up. Dear Alia, love you cutie. I would love to see you munch this sweet hamper, and you will enjoy this for sure, inshallah. Lots of hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. Hugs and kisses. Mwah. Okay? Give hugs and kisses to her too. Just say in the camera. Hugs and kisses. Not for me, for them. I would buy. Okay. So the next note is for me. Yeah, obviously. Dear Shana Zero, hope you are doing great. I really love your work. You are so amazing. Thank you so much, dear. Keep shining always. Thank you so much for accepting my PR package and supporting small businesses. Waiting for your valuable feedback. Lots of love, Choco World. Thank you so much for sending this over. Yeah, let's move on to unboxing.
Okay.
Alisha, so much excited. The packaging is so nice. Okay. The packaging is so nice, as you can see. It's kind of golden butterfly kind of packaging, but in transit something has happened. But it's okay. No issues.
What is okay?
Let's see. What's inside? Oh my God, Kunyala, these are lollipops. Okay, yeah, so cool. Lollipops. Okay, let me show this. Let me show this. Okay, so these are the chocolates. No, not now. After unboxing, okay? After unboxing all these things, we'll wait it up, okay? Yeah, okay. So that's right, and next. Okay, yeah. Green color is there. Okay. Alishu, come. Okay, heart shape. Okay. ഇതിൽ ഏതാ വേണ്ടത്? ഏത് ഷേപ്പാ വേണ്ടത്? This one? Okay, I will. Alishu, where is the chocolate? She already ate it, and I think it's milk chocolate, I think. Okay. Yeah, this one is dark chocolate. You can see. The design is so nice. Okay, let me eat it up. Delicious, guys, really. Too good. Oh my god. Mmm. So I have eaten the dark one,
Lollipop.
and she is munching actually the milk chocolate, not the white one. Okay, so next thing we are going to have this lollipop. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll unwrap it. Wow, this is milk chocolate. Okay. Here. Come over here and munch in here. How is it? Nice? Tasty? Yeah, okay. You like it, right? So,
Yummy.
yummy.
Color, where are you?
Here I am. Oh, she loves the chocolate very much and she is enjoying it.
It's brown and
Yeah. So that was for my niece. So I've got 3 variants actually: white chocolate, the milky white one, and the milk chocolate, and the dark one. So 3 of it. So I have tasted the dark one, and Kunala has eaten white chocolate and the milk chocolate also. So I'm going to try the next, this milk one.
big.
How is it, Kunala? Okay, let's unwrap it all and let me show you what are all the chocolate variants I've got, because it might be confusing that I am unwrapping and eating it up all. So these are the chocolate variants I've got. This is the dark chocolate, and this is the normal chocolate, and this is the white chocolate. So I tasted each of this and I loved it so much. You know, when we think of the homemade, handmade chocolates, we do not expect this much of a quality. And I really felt that quality in the taste and the texture of these chocolates. And I really loved it. So qualitative. You can see the molding and all the stuffs are so good quality one. And the taste is also, it's so good, so nice. And the smell, especially the white chocolate smell, it's really awesome. So finally, I would like to say that these chocolates are awesome, guys, and thank you Choco World for sending this over. We love this PR package unboxing and all, and thank you so much for sending this to me and my Kunala. And I would like to recommend this page to you all, guys. You must try this chocolates, and you will definitely love this ones. And what else? Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you all have enjoyed our video. With love, Unicorn Hijabi and Kunala. Thank you so much Choco World for sending this over, and me and my Kunala really loved it. Kunala, what are you doing? Oh my god. എന്തിനിത് ഇതിലിരിക്കാൻ പോവാ? Okay. ഇല്ല ആശ്രമം വേഗം വാ. ഇനി ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കട്ടെ, രണ്ടാളും ചെയ്യട്ടോ. You really love the chocolate? Then say which one you loved? This one? Milk chocolate? The dark one? Oh, really? Thank you. But the dark one is not for you. This one is for you. Do not eat dark one, okay? Please, dark one is for you. This one? Oh. Brown lollipop there. Okay. Enna Lishu, what are you eating? Chocolate. Did you like it? Yum. కొంచెం
കൊടുത്തിട്ടാ
Mwah.